We have done the two sums. We'll be continuing the same thing. This is a career guidance and placement program for to help the economically and academically weaker section of the society. And here this is about 40. There is a totally 45 videos have been uploaded. And to remind you, a student they have asked these two sums. And I have done the related the sums also the previous video I have done. I am continuing this. Now, what are the related sums? For example, I said I will be doing these sums, this type of sums. These sums are related sums. See, those students who are appearing for the final exam also to be helpful for CET Karnataka as well as majority of the state JEE exams. It will be very helpful. And see here, first you have to go through the previous video. Then only you will understand this. Okay. Now I will start this sum. Right. So integration of x dx by square root of a square minus x square. See, sometimes they will give you the sum like this, x dx by square root of 3 minus x square, or x dx by square root of 1 minus x square. This is a general form. Now, if x is not there, this is going to be what? Integration of dx by square root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a. We have done it in the last class. Right? First two pages, this is page number 3. Just I'll start. See, now whenever you have, this is power of 1, right? Therefore, whenever you get odd, this is odd number, right? X to the power of 1. Therefore, put a square minus x square is equal to t. Now, differential. Take a differential both side. Differential operator. A is a constant. This becomes 0 minus x square is 2x. Since d is there, you write dx as I said in the last class, dt. Therefore, minus 2x dx equal to dt. Therefore, x dx equal to, you send this minus dt by 2. Now x dx I have done. Now what is this quantity is nothing but t. I will substitute here. This is minus dt by 2 divided by square root of t. Take out this minus half, take it out. Dt by root t. Do you remember? Integration of dx by root x is equal to what? 2 root x. I have done this in the first class. Therefore, only difference is what? Instead of x you got t. This is called root t. Right? That is minus 1 by 2 root. What is t? T is equal to a square minus x square plus c. Right? Okay. If they give the sum like this, x by square root of 1 minus x square, put this is equal to t and do it. Similarly, here this is equal to t, you have to do this. Mostly this out of 4 choice, right? They give the sum out of 4. You have to calculate so all these things. It requires mental calculation. There you can't sit and start writing there. If you have practiced here 2-3 times, that can immediately you can identify the sum over there. Right? If you remember is what? Here for this sum how much you get? 1 by square root of minus 1 by 3 by x square. Or for this sum again minus half by root 1 minus x square. Like this you can get it. You can identify. Now, here x alone. Suppose x square they give. dx. See here, what will happen? Even number. Whenever you get even number, put x is equal to a sin theta. This is one method. Method 1. Method 1. There is other method is also there. What is the other method? Some students they will think like this. See, x square. Here minus x square minus a square. See, they will do like this. Minus minus a square minus x square. Here on minus minus into minus plus minus plus a. See, they add and subtract. See, they'll add plus a and minus a and subtract this and do like this. You understood? And minus a square minus x square, square root of a square minus x square minus a square by square root of a square minus x square. See, some students they may think, somebody else think like this. What makes them to do it? Because they would have attended in the class, they would have listened to the class. This idea they get it there. They have to recollect that idea only, right? This minus will be there, minus will be there. I'll continue this for some time. Now, here you see, what do you get from this? A square minus x square divided by root a square minus x square minus a square by root a square minus x square. You got this, is it not? See, remember, suppose a by root a. What will I write? A can be written as root a the whole square by root a, get cancel, root a, isn't it? In general, p by root p. What do I write? Root p into root p, is it not? By root p is what? P only. This get cancelled, root p. The same way here, what I write? A square minus x square whole square divided by a square minus x square minus, this is same thing. Understood? This one get cancel, minus root a square minus x square. Okay, you multiply this dx minus here a square integration of dx by what? A square minus x square. Now you have to remember one formula for this. How to do this? Most of the students, they're stuck up here. This I'll do separately, how to do this formula by integration by parts, or I'll tell the formula as of now. Just to stop for a while now. Just like that. But we are going to continue the same thing. Suppose student they will do it, and since they can't recollect the formula, they'll stop it. What is the other alternative method? I'll continue this one. Now here what? Put x is equal to is put x equal to a sin theta. Therefore, what is dx? Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta, which you have done already in the previous classes. Can you recollect? Put x equal to, whenever is minus, x equal to a sin theta, plus means tan theta. X equal to a sin theta, therefore sin theta is equal to x by a, theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Then what we have done this, do you remember? I am writing this step. Okay. Now dx is equal to a sin theta. Here what? Sin theta is equal to x by a, or theta is equal to sin inverse x by a Now what is this? Root a square minus x square is equal to a cos theta. Right? We have done this already. See, what is a square minus s square? A square sin square, we have done this. A square we have taken a cos square theta. Therefore, immediately this you will get the you can recollect it immediately, right? First you work it out properly. 2-3 times you practice, you will get this C. Cos theta. Then what is cos theta? See, cautiously I said cos theta is equal to root square a square minus a. Can you follow? Now, cos theta is equal to a square minus x square by a. Now, here x square is what? A square sin square theta. What about dx? Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta divided by what is this? A cos theta. See, this corona period you will get lot of public advertisements, cautious advertisement. I will continue after some time. Just I will hold on this. Now, see, I will just tell here what is that? I will write here a get cancelled, cos theta get cancelled, or a get cancelled. This a square you can take. See, I will write it a square sin square theta d theta a cos theta d theta is there. That is equal to a square integral of sin square theta d theta. We are thankful for this coronavirus. Because of that, we are getting all innovative methods. And don't go outside, sit and work it out fully. And you become a doctor or engineer, and once if you become a doctor, you try to find out the cure for this coronavirus, war on virus. Now, see here, now how to do this sin square? See, some students they do it like x square dx is equal to x cube by 3. But you can't do that. Sin x square dx is equal to sin x cube by 3. Wrong this is. Therefore, what you have to do is there is a separate method. This is, what is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. You know this formula. This is what? 2 cos square theta. This is 2 sin square theta. Do you remember? Therefore what? If it comes down, here also it comes down. Therefore cos square theta equal to what? Cos square theta is equal to half 1 plus cos 2 theta. Then sin square theta is equal to half 1 minus cos theta. Right? Therefore sin square I am substituting here. Therefore a square integral of half 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. You take that a square by 2 outside, integral of 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta, that is a square by 2. This is multiply this and put the integration in. D theta minus integral cos 2 theta d theta. This most of in Tamil Nadu and Andhra, some places they have not done. I don't know how. Some institutions and even Madhya Pradesh, they don't know what the integration means. Like that, they are mugging up all the formulas. They want this type of detailed calculations, right? In fact, they are asking us to teach in Hindi is a problem, and that's why Tamil and Telugu. Anyway, let them learn English as well as this one. Even from our Karnataka, we are most of the students they are learning through this only, right? Therefore, don't have any language bias. Just if you listen properly, right, we can get over any language, right? For mathematics, you don't require any language for that. Anyway, here a square by 2, you know this formula integration of dx is what? X. Therefore, d theta is theta minus. Listen here, again what? Integration of cos ax plus b. Do you remember? Then what I write? Just sin ax plus b by coefficient of x is a. That means cos 3x dx. How to do this? Sin 3x divided by coefficient of x is what? 3. Same way here also, cos 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta by 2. Now there are formulas. What is the formula you have? What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Do you remember? Sin theta. Suppose sin just theta alone. What do I write? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Do you remember? Therefore, what I write here, sin 2 theta is what? A square by 2 theta sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta by 2. Both get cancelled. Now, here a square by 2 theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Now, what about this sin theta? We have done it already. See, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to x by a. Then again what? Cos theta is equal to root a square minus x square by a. Therefore, I am going to substitute sin theta and cos theta here. And again, what about theta? Theta also I am going to substitute. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a and this one. Therefore, theta is equal to, therefore what? A square by 2. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a minus sin theta is what? Sin theta is x by a. X by a. Then what about this cos theta? Root a square by this one. Root is only for this numerator, not denominator. Therefore, cos theta is equal to root a square minus x square by a. That is a square by 2 sin inverse x by a minus x by a square root a square minus x square. See, I am doing in a very detailed steps. Slowly you learn, then do without looking 2-3 times to get the fluency. Therefore, what you get here, you multiply inside a square by 2 sin inverse x by a minus again a square by 2 x by a square square root of a square minus x square. A square x square get cancelled. Therefore, what you get? This problem. The problem x square dx by square root of a square minus x square is equal to, what do you get? A square by 2 sin inverse x by a minus x by 2 square root of a square minus x square. See, in order to have a proper proficiency, why don't you try this sum like this? X square dx by square root of 5 minus x square. You try this. And also I have stopped that problem. See, one thing I am trying to tell you. I told now last class, what is this? What is the formula? What is a square minus x square dx. It takes so much time, and if you know this formula, you can save 3 minutes. But how to remember this formula? There are 3 types of formulas. Root a square plus x square is there, x square minus a square is there. There are 3 formulas. Now at present I am doing only one formula. See, there are different formulas. There are a square plus x square dx, integration of x square minus a square dx and all that. But at present, how to remember this? See, integral of a square minus x square dx is equal to, for all the formula, half x, whatever this you write it as it is. A square minus x square, half x, x by 2, everywhere half x only, x by 2. Then here you have to put the sign here in between. That is, what sign I have to put? Whatever the sign or the coefficient. What is the coefficient of, what is the sign before a square? Plus. Therefore, I will put plus. If it is minus, you have to put minus. Plus. Again, a square by 2. Here x by 2, here a square by 2. This is the first term, always x by 2. Other side, a square by 2. Into what? See, this sin inverse x. X by a. No, I missed some paper there where I have left it the halfway. Right? I got the paper. What did I tell? For this sum, x square dx by square root of a square minus x square is equal to minus, here, integral of this portion. Put a flower bracket. What formula? You have to remember, you have to write this formula. Is it not? I told you how to remember this. I am remembering what? Half x and write as it is. Right? What is the coefficient of x? Plus 1 or minus 1? Coefficient of a square plus 1. Therefore, plus. Here, x by 2 here, a square by 2. Is a square by 2. Sin inverse x by a. Minus a square. You know, this is the standard formula, is it not? This is what? Sin inverse x by a. Now, just to look into this. Minus x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 minus a square. This is the common factor. Sin inverse x by a. Correct? Here what do you get? 2a square minus a, 2a square. Then if you simplify, minus a square by 2 you will get it, isn't it? Minus a square by 2. Therefore, minus x by 2 square root of a square minus x square minus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Or minus, if you take it minus half, if you take it x square root of a square minus x square plus a square sin inverse x by a. See, this is a very lengthy sum, and I have introduced only one formula. The other formulas I will introduce when I do the integration by parts. Right? See, just now, the next class I will continue x cube dx by root a square minus x square. See, now we are done integration of dx by root a square minus x square. We are done. Then again what? X dx root a square minus x square. Then again what? X square dx by root a square minus x square. Here x to the power of 0, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3. Here what? Odd. For odd, what we did? Put a square minus x square is equal to t. For even, put x equal to a sin theta. Think about the same sum x to the power of n dx by a square plus x square. Plus x square is there. N is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Can you do this? See, these are called analysis. See, you have to think, keep working. And again, integration, differentiation, all are very, very easy. This is it's like a language. Once if you do it continuously, you have to do it and finish it off. It requires only 3 or 4 days to complete it with 3 hours, and keep practicing it. Okay, and whatever you learned, please help for other students, and think that you are going to make the nation, right? Okay, and it is applicable for all these exams, and you have to need, and whatever the need topics we have done, physics and maths except biology, it is common for this. Therefore, it will help, very helpful for you. Even if you miss IIT, JEE is there, this one JAM exam is there for the higher studies. There are a lot of opportunities, and you have to be thankful for our Vijaya College teachers and the management, the principal, everybody you have to thank for them for giving this nice opportunity. Thank you. Next class I will be doing those 3 sums. Okay, be ready. Keep practicing. Jai Hind.